Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff over at AET. Today's showing our new email builder inside of Ad Studio. Guys, this tool is so simple to use. It's built to be pretty much whatever you want it to be. It's customizable, you can utilize templates, but it's literally just drag and drop features that you can start building an entire template. Or like I said, use one of ours that we've pre-created, in this case for a retail offer, and then kind of update with any kind of creative that you might have built inside of Ad Studio in the past, and drag and drop it to its new appropriate spot, update the copy in here, take a look at what it looks like on mobile versions, and then once you have a email that you're happy with, you're able to basically just export the HTML and then take this and embed this into your CRM so that you can blast out some emails to all of your customer base. Let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to get some dealer feedback on this and some dealers trying to activating this product. Feel free to direct message me here on LinkedIn, or there's going to be a QR code that you can scan with your phone that goes directly to my calendar, and we can set up a deeper dive. Thanks for watching. Take care.